Pretty cool. I'm gonna stop up here and have a drink. Yeah, it's an alcoholic beverage. Stop and get some tea on the way home. Might even go to the seafood store. See what happens. Look at this. Spectacular. Hopefully see some kangaroos. So I'm going real slow so they sneak in here. Not too much noise. Such a random spot, man. Like, check it out. Alright, I will admit, this is my new favourite spot, man. I can't wait till the track dries up the other way, because then I don't have to go the long way. There's a short way in here. Check out the Maggie. Hey Maggie. On cue. How good is this, eh? Big bike. Getting another fishing rod holder on there tomorrow because the tailor are coming. It'll be time to catch some fishies. Check this tree out, guys. This tree is phenomenal. And that one's nice, but this one here, look at this beast. Look at it. And there's a big beehive up the top. I think they're probably natives, not too sure. Actually, they didn't look like natives. They looked like fucking dangerous ones. My bad with the swearing too. My bad. Gotta remember, YouTube, can't swear too much like a crazy man. But I am Australian, I can't help it sometimes. Yeah, we're gonna go up to that hill over there. I'm going to sit there and I'm going to have a drink, listen to nature, check out this grass away. And no, it's not a golf range, I think they just grow this and cut it up every couple of years and fill in the spots that have been ruined. But it's like literally, like the golf course is not miles, but half a K back that way. We'll come out here one day and we'll park the bike and go for a walk out to the mangroves out there. You see through the tree there. Oh, the mozzies are here. Oh yeah, the mozzies are here. Beautiful. Now let's jump on this, head up the other end, eh? Way up the other end there. Alright guys, I'll be back again. Yo.